right?
Yeah.
And talk to some of your other associates, and it's like, oh, you like that time. There's hardly anyone around, more freedom for, your bird.
I agree. It's nice to like walk around and fly around.
And the ones that are a little edgy maybe for too much.
Yeah. Sometimes COVID was kind of nice with less people, but yeah, now it's getting hectic again. So, but yeah. Chicken, quail, mice, rats, rabbit, that type of thing. Yeah, kind of a mix. Yeah, I've got chicken and quail in my pocket, so he really likes that. But unfortunately, we're done for the day, so we're heading out here. Yeah.